In the heart of the city, where stories lay bare, Oran Z took a stand to show how much we care. With art on the walls and history in our hands, we breathe life into the past. Across these lands, voices were silent, the tales left untold. We carved out the stories and let the truth unfold. From the beauty of the culture to the struggles we face, Oran Z saves Black history. It will not be erased. Oran Z saves Black history. It will not be erased. Oran Z saves Black history. Oran Z brings the past to the light and pairs with every display. Oran Z brings the past to the light of day. Through galleries and museums, we built sacred space for the heroes and dreamers, for the whole human race. We honored the fighters, the artists, the brave, preserving the legacies that our ancestors gave. The brush and the pen with the stories we tell. We shattered the silence, we broke through the shell from Omaha's roots to the distant shores. Oran Z saves Black history and opens the doors. Oran Z saves Black history and opens the doors.